Good morning, students. To continue with the same exercise, let us start with question number 5. Question 5 is, line L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Show that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB and BP equals to BQ, or B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. So let us prove it. Now since L is the bisector of angle A, therefore angle PAB, that is this angle, is equal to angle QAB. So these two angles are equal. This is the given part. We have to prove that as I have just told you. So let us prove it. So we will take these two triangles, triangle APB and triangle AQB. Now in triangle APB and triangle AQB, angle PAB, this angle is equal to this angle. I have just told you that this is the given part because L bisects angle A. So angle PAB equals to angle QAB given. Angle APB and angle AQB are also equal because both are equal to 90 degree. And AB equals to AB common. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by AAS congruency rule. How AAS? You can see here angle, 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 angle and side. So, the two triangles are congruent by AAS congruency rule. Now, since the two triangles are congruent, therefore, BP equals to BQ by CP CT. That is, B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. Hence, proved. Now, let us see question number 6. It is given that AC equals to AE, AB equals to AD and angle BAD equals to angle EAC. We have to show that BC equals to DE. So, let us prove this question also. So, let us prove it. It is given that angle BAD, this angle, is equal to this angle EAC. This is the given part. Now, if we add this angle, angle DAC, to angle BAD and angle EAC, if equals are added on both the sides, so we will add angle DAC on both the sides. So, BAD plus angle DAC, it becomes this part, this angle, that is angle BAC. Similarly, angle EAC plus angle DAC, that is this angle. So, when we add these two angles, it becomes angle EAD. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, AB equals to AD, it is given. AC equals to AE, it is also given. And angle BAC equals to angle EAD, which we have got from 1. So, the two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule. Therefore, since the two triangles are congruent, therefore, BC equals to DE by CP CT. Hence, proved. So, students, do these questions in your maths copy. At the same time, practice all these questions thoroughly in your practice copy and the same type of questions from R.S. Agarwal book. Thank you.